Learning, understanding the challenges in disaster management education. Introduction. Myself, Abhay Bachu from roll number 518, and the topic is Negative Learning Course, Disaster Management. Introduction. The presentation delves into the concept of negative learning within the disaster management courses. We will explore what negative learning is and its implications on preparedness and how it affects the overall learning environment. First slide is negative learning. The definition and key components of negative learning are the negative learning refers to the counterproductive outcomes in education where learners retain flawed information or develop misconceptions. In disaster management, this can manifest as a misunderstanding of protocols, which can critically impair the emergency responses. Understanding the roots and indicators of the negative learning is essential for improving educational outcomes. Impact on disaster preparedness. The presence of negative learning in disaster management courses can severely limit individuals and organizations' preparedness of disasters. If learners acquire incorrect information, it can lead to poor decision making during crisis, ultimately resulting in greater risk and losses during actual disaster events. Evaluating the educational methodologies used is crucial for fostering effective learning. Challenges in implementation. Implementing effective learning strategies in disaster management education faces the multiple challenges, including resistance to change, lack of resources, and difficulty in aligning course curricula with real world scenarios. Instructors may find it hard to engage with students with theoretical material that does not translate well into the practical applications. Additionally, balancing theoretical knowledge with hands-on experience poses its own challenges, as demonstrated during the actual disaster simulations. Case studies. Real world examples. Analyzing the real world instances of negative learning can provide the insights into the pitfalls faced in the disaster management. Examples include emergency response teams encountering incorrect protocols and during the critical incidents leading to failures in rescue operations. Specific case studies reveal patterns of negative learning that were prevalent, emphasizing the importance of the continual education and the adaptation following each incident. Lessons learned. Each case study offers valuable lessons about the importance of flexibility in educational approaches and the necessity for regular updates to training the protocols. Insights gained from the past failures highlight the significance of debriefing sessions post-exercise to correct misunderstandings and reinforce effective learning strategies. Such practices ensure that lessons are integrated into future training and operations. Recommendations for improvement. To combat negative learning in disaster management courses, educational institutions should emphasize the practical hands-on training alongside theoretical knowledge. Regular evaluations of training materials and procedures incorporating feedback from actual responders can significantly enhance the learning experience. Collaborations with industry professionals to develop a curriculum that is relevant and responsive to current challenges is essential. Conclusion. In summary, addressing negative learning in disaster management education is imperative for the improving preparedness and response collaborators. By understanding the challenges, learning from the real world examples, and implementing the change, educators can enhance the effectiveness of the training programs. Continuous improvement and adaptation are vital for the ensuring that learners acquire the necessary skills and the knowledge for effective disaster management. Thank you.